Why, hello. It's me, MrSasaki, and today is Lightly Row Day, okay? Lightly Row is song number 2 in the Suzuki Violin School, okay? Or Violin Method, whatever you want to call it. Here we go. Boss practice. Here we go. We have 4 lines to learn. Line number 1, okay? E is our starting pitch. Here we go. E, 2, 2, 3, 1, 1. A, 1, 2, 3, E, E, E. Second line. E, 2, 2, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, A, 2, E, E, 2, 2, 2. Third line. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, E. Last line is the same as the second line. Hot tip. Here we go. E, 2, 2, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, A, 2, E, E, 2, 2, 2. Okay? Get that. Line 2 and 4 are the same. So if you know 1, 2, and 3, you know it all. Here we go. Pizzicato practice. Thumb, pointer, finger. Here we go. So E, 2, 2, 3, 1, 1, A, 1, 2, 3, E, E, E. Here we go. E, 2, 2, 3, 1, 1, A, 1, 2, 3, E, E, E. Second line. E, 2, 2, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, A, 2, E, E, 2, 2, 2. Here we go. E, 2, 2, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, A, 2, E, E, 2, 2, 2. Third line. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, E. Here we go. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, E. And the last line, E, 2, 2, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, A, 2, E, E, 2, 2, 2. Here we go. E, 2, 2, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, A, 2, E, E, 2, 2, 2. Okay, time for the bow. Here we go. So we're going to play this all together. Here we go. And I'm just going to go straight through it. Ready, and... There it is. All right, a lot of string crossings. Practice, practice, practice. I'll see you next time.